On day 5 of the Nepal earthquake, the Nepal nightmare, we get you stories of miracle survivors. The story coming in at this moment is that a survivor has been pulled out from the debris in Kathmandu nearly 80 hours, 80 hours after the earthquake. A search team comprising the Nepalese as well as the French rescuers pulled out Rishi Khanal from a collapsed apartment block after he had spent around 80 hours in a room with 3 bodies. Khanal appeared to have had no access to food or water during his ordeal, and according to hospital authorities, his condition is very critical. Both his legs were broken and his pulses were reversed. According to reports, Khanal was on the second floor of a 7-story building when the quake struck. Manogya Loiwal joins us on the phone line for more on this. Morning, Manogya. That's a amazing good news to start the day with. The fact that a person who has gone through 80 hours, spending 80 hours with 3 bodies with him, had almost lost hope that he will ever be able to see the light of the day, has in fact been pulled out, is being given medical attention. Just take us through this remarkable, survival story.
Well, there have been different rescue operations of different countries and their representatives who are operating at different places here in Kathmandu. Despite the aftershock, we too have been bearing everything to get you the best and the latest updates. This is an update that comes from one of the remote areas of Kathmandu, where this person was stuck in a building for more than 80 hours. Rishi Khanal was staying there. It was his residential accommodation with his family. However, the other family members did not survive. He was staying there in a room. He's almost lost his legs. He might not be able to walk for his life. It's very difficult to predict now, but the X-ray reports, however, will confirm that. Beyond that, he also has been confirmed by the hospital authorities that it's not just about the survival stories, but also that his condition is critical. Despite the survival, his condition remains critical. He is under complete medical observation and will continue to do so at least for the next few hours.
Right, Manogya, many thanks for joining us at this moment. Let's also quickly listen into a couple of reactions coming in related to this particular rescue.
After nearly 80 hours, the patient is alive. He was there alone along with the 3 dead bodies in that room. Patient had no where to go to defecate and urinate. Also, he had nothing to eat as well as drink. It was because of his sheer willpower that he survived.
His condition is really critical. It seems his both legs are broken and his pulses are also fever, so he might be in shock. He has been under the buildings, I think, for more than 2.5 days.